moving it up, ready to go to the lab.
We climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight, and that's all we'll ever like, but that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. Yeah. When it hurts like this, never like, never like, never like, never like, never like, never like, when it hurts like this, never like, never like, never like, when it hurts like this, never like, never like, never like, when it hurts like this,
But yeah, I want to give one more thank you to everybody that show up. It is
when it hurts like
Just wrapped up here at Legends. Got best show.
when it hurts like this.
Now it's just loaded up, ready to go home.
We hold each other high. We fall 1,000 times, but I'd never say goodbye or ever leave this stuff behind.
Alrighty, that'll be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and share, subscribe for more. There'll be tons of more content coming. Peace.